Meaning of EFF.
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 EFF. EFF is a slang term that is short for fuck. It is used as a way to express frustration, anger, or annoyance. The word has become more common in online communication, especially in social media platforms and instant messaging applications. Although the term is widely used, it is considered inappropriate in most professional settings and formal conversations. Using profanity can also be offensive to some individuals, so it is best to use it with caution and avoid using it altogether in certain situations.